Welcome to the final installment of our series. After exploring high-tech threats and evolving cybercrime tactics, we now turn our focus to how humanity is fighting back. In this segment, we'll examine the multi-layered strategies, collaborative efforts, and forward-thinking innovations that are shaping our defense against cyber threats. Defending against an ever-changing landscape of cyber threats requires a multi-layered approach. Organizations around the world are making significant investments in advanced cybersecurity technologies. This includes the deployment of artificial intelligence-driven anomaly detection systems that can flag unusual network behavior in real time, and continuous network monitoring tools that ensure any breach is quickly identified and contained. In addition, comprehensive incident response plans are now standard practice, enabling organizations to react swiftly and minimize damage when attacks occur. Initiatives like bug bounty programs have become increasingly popular, incentivizing ethical hackers to identify vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them. These proactive measures are fundamental to fostering a resilient cybersecurity culture. But technology alone isn't enough to secure our digital future. Effective cybersecurity demands collective action. Governments, businesses, and individuals must come together to share threat intelligence and coordinate responses. Stricter regulatory frameworks and international agreements are being developed to ensure that cybersecurity standards keep pace with emerging threats. Public-private partnerships are also on the rise, as organizations collaborate to create unified defense strategies and share critical insights. Public education campaigns play a vital role as well, empowering everyday users with the knowledge to safeguard their personal information. Together, these collaborative efforts help build a robust, interconnected defense network that is better prepared to thwart sophisticated cyber attacks. As we look toward the future, our ability to adapt is crucial. Innovations like zero-trust architectures are transforming how we secure networks, while the development of post-quantum cryptography is critical to countering the emerging threat posed by quantum computing. Agile security protocols are also being implemented, allowing organizations to rapidly adjust their defenses in response to new and evolving threats. Additionally, investments in research and development are fueling breakthroughs in cybersecurity, transforming emerging technologies into practical, scalable solutions. This proactive approach ensures that as the cyber threat landscape evolves, our defenses evolve with it, maintaining a step ahead of cyber adversaries. In conclusion, while the future of hacking presents formidable challenges, it also offers incredible opportunities for innovation and collaboration. Our ability to unite, innovate, and adapt is key to winning this digital arms race. By strengthening our defenses, forging robust partnerships, and embracing forward-thinking technologies, we can build a secure digital ecosystem that benefits everyone. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the evolving world of cybersecurity. Together, we can shape a future where innovation and security go hand in hand. If you found this deep dive insightful, please hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more cutting-edge insights into technology and cybersecurity. Stay informed and stay secure.